Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Kawasaki ZRX1200R. This retro sport bike just came to us in pristine condition. A lot of reconditioning's already been done. Beautiful extras too. It's got the zero gravity tinted windscreen, front fork brace. Looks like those rotors are new. They're so clean. Engine guards, an awesome sounding Kirker exhaust, KYB Evolution Motorcycles piggyback shock absorber. It's got a rear luggage rack, custom saddle, only 15,000 miles on this superbike replica ZRX1200R. If any of you know this bike, you know it is a torque monster. The paint is in beautiful condition. That gorgeous Kawasaki Racing lime color, only $59.99. This is the one you've been waiting for. Don't miss out. The thing is beautiful. Wait till you hear that exhaust. No financing on this bike. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.